Hello, listeners. Today we are diving into a story that should shake us all to our core. A story of courage, greed, and an unthinkable loss. This is the story of journalist Mukesh Chandrakar, a man who dared to expose a 120 crore scam and paid for it with his life. Before we go on, let's pause and think about that number for a moment. 120 crores. 120 crores यानी कितने पैसे हैं? This is not just a sum of money. It's the stolen hopes and future of countless hardworking Indians. To put it into perspective, हमारे देश में daily wage earners and domestic help across our country earn around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees a month. With 120 crores, you could pay 1 year's salary to over 33,000 people. सोचिए जो इतनी मेहनत करते हैं उनको 3,000-4,000 मिलता है महीने का और कोई चोरी करके 120 करोड़ चुरा ले रहा है. 33,000 lives could be improved with this 120 crore. 33,000 families with food on the table and children going to school. But instead, this money meant for public welfare in India, ended up in the hands of one corrupt contractor. I think somebody named Sukesh or Suresh Chandrakar. And when Mukesh Chandrakar uncovered this staggering theft, he became a target. The contractor silenced him. But Mukesh's truth continues to scream through the cracks of our broken system. And this story is not just about Mukesh. It's about the countless journalists in our country who risk everything to expose the rot beneath the surface. Mukesh's courage wasn't just his own. It was a responsibility he took on for us, for the domestic worker, the farmer, the daily wage earner, and the future generations who deserve better. Imagine this. Instead of siphoning off 120 crores, what if that money had gone to building schools, providing healthcare, or fixing roads in underserved areas? That amount could have been life-changing for so many. But instead, it became a tool of greed. Mukesh did not have to fight this fight, but he chose to. And now it's our turn to ensure that his sacrifice was not in vain. Corruption thrives in silence. Let's not stay silent. Share Mukesh's story. Demand accountability. Demand justice. For Mukesh Chandrakar. For the 33,000 lives that could have been changed. And for every journalist in India out there risking their lives to uncover the truth. आप खुद सोचिए, हम लोग इतनी लड़ाई झगड़ा करके एक जॉब पाने के लिए करते हैं ताकि हम we get through life. एंड लोग चोरी करते हैं 120 करोड़ 1,000 करोड़ की, एंड जब कोई इस पर रिपोर्ट करता है उसका क्या होता है? ही इज किल्ड. दिस कैन नॉट गो ऑन. प्लीज रिमेंबर, साइलेंस इज द एली ऑफ करप्शन. अगर हम चुप रहेंगे कल हमारा नंबर आएगा. एंड ये सारे जर्नलिस्ट दे आर स्पीकिंग अप ऑन आवर बिहाफ टू. सो स्पीक अप, स्टे इन्फॉर्म्ड एंड स्टे सेफ.